YouTube channel then?
Yeah, I do the videos and that.
That's pretty cool, mate, that. And how old are you?
I'm 17.
Nice, mate, nice.
Bloody job's killing me though.
Is it?
Yeah.
It's already gone.
Is that on?
Oh shit, I should have... Sorry, I didn't turn it on.
It's alright, turn it on. Is that, you don't have to watch this. Is it ESC on this side or that side?
Yeah. Is that what you do? Ah.
Because his body's quite flexible, you
Fair
can do
enough.
that.
Can't get the pin on it, mate, so... Oh, there's your pin. Just stick it on at that, mate. There you go, dude. Want me to drive it? Is it easier?
You can do, yeah.
What do you want me to do with it?
Just go fast and do cool shit.
Yep.
Oh. If you push forward, there you go.
You want to drive?
Yeah, you get the
It's going on
video.
your channel, mate. It might be worth you doing it, man.
Oh shit.
It's alright, don't worry about it. To get it on that bit of water on my drive here.